have some great things to achieve, yeah. Life is beautiful, I want to live it. Yeah. Life is how do you perceive it? Oh, yeah. I'm telling you now, yeah, it's one life. Oh, I have some great things to achieve, yeah. Oh, life is beautiful, I want to live it. Oh, life is how you perceive it. Oh, thank God for this life, yeah, that I'm living. I really wanna make a better way out. I gotta find a better way right now. I can't give up no way out. I can't stop from trying. I really wanna make this life the right way. Come on, yeah, I wanna live this life, yeah. I have some great things to achieve, yeah. Life is beautiful, I want to live it. Oh, oh. Life is how do you perceive it? Oh, oh. One life, it's one life, and I'm living. Oh, I have some great things to achieve, yeah. Life is good and I want to live it. Oh, oh. Life is how do you perceive it? Yes, it's life I'm living. Oh, oh, oh. I'm living. Good or bad, glad or sad, up or down, you gotta be grateful for this time you have. Come on, live it now, come on, be it now yourself. You can be no one else. It's time we have, you have nothing else. Come on now, just make the best of this time you have. Yeah, I have some great things to achieve, yeah, yeah. Life is beautiful, I want to live it, yeah. It's just life, yes, I am living, and I am living. That's why I have some great things to achieve, yeah. Yes, yeah. Life is beautiful, I want to live it, I'm living it, yeah. Life is just how do you perceive it? Perceive it. I'm telling you it's just life and I'm living. I'm living. Every breath I take, every walk I make, every time my heart beat, I gotta really say, I really have to pray. Thank you God, yes, for today and those good old memories of yesterday. I have some great things to achieve, yeah. Life is good and I wanna live it. I wanna live it, yeah. Life is how good you can perceive it, yeah. It's just life and God I'm living. Thank God I'm living, yeah. It's daddylaing. Telling you once again.